In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Deeper Signals platform to evaluate employees and teams against your talent frameworks and make data-driven decisions. What you see on the screen is the analytics dashboard. And what this enables you to do is visualize assessment scores across your organization. So for example, here we can see the aggregate profile of core drivers, core values of everyone that's completed the assessment. I'm able to create custom charts that use external data from your HRIS, and also we're able to visualize competency scores either using our out-of-the-box capability model, or we can map our assessments onto your talent frameworks and visualize those scores. Using this analytics dashboard, you have access to a variety of different ways to segment your data. For example, here I can search for specific users, groups, or teams, and also filter by HRIS data sources. And then by doing so, I can, with just one click, update these charts and graphs to segment that data. So here, for example, I want to visualize the scores of my leadership team. And with just one click, I can now see my leaders' core drivers, the core values, and the competencies and performance scores. If I would like to compare results, I can do that too. Here I can search for specific users and compare them to other teams or individuals. For example, here I want to compare Aisha to the rest of my high potentials. And I can now see Aisha's score on the left and my high potential cohort on the right. I can see where they are similar and where they are different. I could also compare individuals against each other. So I want to compare Aisha against John, and we can see those charts update in real time. If I would like to, I can also download these charts and drop them into my own documentation and presentations. We also have the ability to create specific benchmarks using all the assessment data that we've collected. So for example, here I can see a table that has different data for my users and my candidates. And what I can now do is find the competencies that I'm most interested in and create specific benchmarks. So I want to find everyone that scores over 40 on this self-control competency. And then I also want to see everyone that scores over 50 on my resilience competency. And now I have a short list of talent that meet that criteria. I can then also add columns based on other HRIS and demographic data. So I can have a better understanding around what talent do I have where in my organization. This tool is helpful for identifying talent that is often overlooked, using data to make fairer and more equitable decisions, and identify the quality and potential of your high potentials and leadership pipeline.